This is a 2005 Toyota Camry. This Toyota has a long list of incredible features including a power driver's seat, power front windows with one window featuring one-touch operation, an 8-speaker stereo system, a 6-disc remote CD changer which can read MP3s, a driver front airbag with multi-stage deployment, an anti-lock braking system, and this vehicle has just over 56,000 miles. It features a 3.0-liter 6-cylinder engine and a 5-speed automatic transmission. With an EPA estimated rating of 28 miles per gallon on the highway, it's easy to see how you can save. This car has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this car in person.